In this video, I'm just briefly going to introduce you to MySQL and some important concepts. So I've created this folder and file with this comment for this video. You don't need to have all this. I'm just going to go over these points briefly. So MySQL is a database application that is commonly used with PHP, and it supports many column or data types, but all of them can be categorized as either numbers, strings, or date and time. When you index a column, you basically tell the database to keep an eye on the values in that column, and the end result is improved performance when retrieving records and a bit hindered performance when inserting or updating records. Primary key is a very important concept. Usually each table in the database has a primary key column, and the primary key is a way to refer to a specific row in a table. And that primary key should always have some integer value, and that value should be unique. And the foreign key in a table links to the primary key in another table. And if you don't understand this now, you will see it in practice later on. And this auto increment feature is always used with primary keys. And the point is that when you insert values into a table, you don't need to worry about the value of the primary key. If it's auto incremented, it will have default value of 1, and then with each new insertion, that primary key is going to get increased by 1. So it will always have a value, and the value will always be unique. And finally, I just want to show you phpMyAdmin, which is the client that is used to interact with the database, usually when using PHP. And that's located at phpMyAdmin, so localhost/phpMyAdmin. And here it is. So to log in, the default username is root and default password is no password, so just click go. And here it is. So here are the databases, and here is the rest of it. And I'm gonna get into working with this in the next video. I just wanted to show you how to access phpMyAdmin in this video. So this is just a client that is used to interact with the database. There are others, for example, MySQL Workbench. But this phpMyAdmin is usually used with PHP, and you will have this phpMyAdmin on the server where you host your website, so it's good to know it. Okay, that's it for this video. See you in the next one.